Well, back Taylor Cooks, it's the weekend, it's Friday. What do you get if you cross a chicken with a pineapple? You get a stir fry. Cue the music. So it's Friday and it's stir fry, and we've got chicken and we've got garlic and we've got ginger and we've got rice and he's using, we've got onions, we've got mushrooms. What could possibly go wrong? I don't really think anything can go wrong. Just watch this now. This is amazing and it tastes fantastic, and it takes about 10 minutes to do. You see me doing mushrooms, so I've just put them to one side there. There's a pepper to go in. We've got some soy sauce to go in later on. So this is our chicken. Garlic, ginger, black pepper, no salt because we don't want the water to come out at the moment. Cold rice, a couple of peppers and a chilli, and a tin of pineapples. And wait till you see how this turns out, because it's going to be absolutely amazing. Right, eggs in first. Okay, eggs in first. And then that way nothing sticks together and these don't get terribly coloured by anything else, because we want these to look really nice. Eggs in first. Let's get the eggs out. Okay, a little bit of oil. Let's get the chicken in. So this is chicken breast. All I've done, marinated it in garlic. Marinated it in garlic, a bit of ginger, and we're going to let that brown off just for the second. In the meantime, while that is doing, I can sort of out some chilli, some peppers, can't I? To cook any moisture that's coming out of the chicken, I want it to disappear. Let's get some nice colour on this. All right, we're starting to brown up. I just want to put a little bit of pineapple juice in, just to sweeten it up, and then we'll turn it over and then we'll let that reduce down. A little bit of soy sauce. Oh, that's good. Right, chicken off. Mushrooms. And onions. Okay, they cook for a couple of minutes. And let's get our peppers in. All right, let's get our pineapples in. You've got a fresh pineapple, use a fresh pineapple. I've only got tin. A little splash of white wine vinegar. Let's throw our chicken back in. Get rid of the rice. on a bit just at the end. Let's get that egg back in.